Water is the most oldest and most powerful element on earth. And for centuries, humans have learned to move through it, not just to survive, but to thrive. Swimming is more than just a sport, it's a discipline, a therapy, a life saving skill, and for many, a passion. From ancient cave paintings in Egypt to Olympic gold medals, swimming has evolved across countries and continents. Today, it's practiced by millions, from casual enthusiasts to elite athletes pushing the limits of speed, strength, and endurance. In this documentary, we'll dive deep into the world of swimming, exploring its origin, techniques, trainings, and mental focus, and the community that keeps it alive.
Swimming has been around for thousands of years, with ancient cave drawings showing people swimming as early as 250 BC. But competitive swimming started in the 19th century in England and became an official Olympic sport in 1896, and by 1912, women were finally allowed to compete as well. There are four main strokes: the freestyle, the breaststroke, the butterfly, and the backstroke. In the Philippines, swimming is also a growing sport. Legends like Teofilo Ildefonso made Olympic history, and today's young swimmers continue to compete proudly in global events. So whether you're aiming for gold or just starting out, competitive swimming is a sport that challenges the body and inspires the spirit. Let's dive in.
Ma'am, mabalin ka ba nga ma-interview, ma'am?
Yes, why not?
Sagbay na ti amin, ma'am, mabalin, maamuan tinagan mo, tawen mo, kano ana nga year mo, ma'am?
I'm Anika Tugban, 20 years old na kon, ken currently second year college.
Kaano ka nga nang rugi nga nag-start, mahiligam ti swimming, ma'am, ken ana tinang inspiring ka, ma'am?
Start na nag-swimming idi 15 years old na. Ken ito na-inspired ka niya kat ni Coach Romel Villasanta. And ito nga na-inspired na ag-swimming kasi syempre amok ag-swimming kin I love water, you know.
True, ma'am. Ano nung ka DJ usual training routine mo, ma'am, kasyay? Ano digiti usual nga routine mo nag-training ka? Mamin, anong kag-training ti makalawas kasi ko, ma'am?
Makalawas siguro 2 to 3 days
When,
kanjay. Tapos agpo-focus lang iti technique na endurance and strength. Tapos syempre it takes a lot of discipline. Yan worth it, met.
ano ti favorite nga swimming stroke mo, ma'am? Ken apay, ma'am?
Iti pag-enjoy talaga nga style is the backstroke and breaststroke kasi alis to lang sunobra and can na-challenge met can it feels like parang natural lang so na kanya ajay.
When, ma'am? Ano DJ challenges mo, ma'am, nga na sarsarangam during ti training mo, ma'am, kasi ko, ma. Tapos, kasano mo inyo overcome, DJ, ma'am?
Sometimes nga minket no training talaga nga narigat ken talaga nga hamumay like parang hamon may baga nga hangkalata nga maabak syempre dala tayo nga maabak ka kin mangabak ka syempre ket no naabak ko kuma hangka nga dati sigsigod nga nunod nga give up kin panunod nam idi no paano ka nga nag-start kin no apay nga nag-start ka kin panunod nga kadayo iti na panamon kin syempre iti mag-support ka niya kita ket mes ni Coach Tijay di family, tapos syempre di teammates ko. So agi jay.
When, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing your inspiring journey with us. We wish you the best in your future swims, ma'am. Thank you po.
When
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
ko aglangoy. Sige, bye.
Bye.
I know your name, ma'am.
I'm Anjali Domingo,
Date of birth.
November 30, 1997,
How old are you, ma'am?
27.
Current address, ma'am.
Barangay Bagbag, Sorsogon, Ilocos Norte.
Year ka po nga nagsimula ng pagsiswimming.
2011,
And then, anong taon po kayo nag-retire?
I think 2018.
Okay po. How many years have you been in swimming?
Nagsimula akong maglangoy noong ako'y 13 taong gulang. Kaya mahigit 7 taon na akong lumalangoy. Noong una laro-laro lang, pero kalaunan naging seryoso at sineseryoso ko ang training.
What tournaments or competition have you joined?
Nagisali ako sa mga local at national tournament gaya ng Palarong Pambansa, RIAA at provincial meets. Noong 2016, nakuha ko ang gold medal sa RIAA.
What challenges did you face in swimming?
Ang pinakamalaking hamon ay ang pang-manage ng oras, lalo na kapag may exam at sabay ang training. Tumaan din ako sa injuries, pero tinulungan ako ng coach ko para makabalik sa pool.
Why did you start swimming?
Nagsimula ako sa paglangoy dahil gusto ng magulang ko na matutunan ko ito bilang safety skill. Pero habang tumatagal, na-enjoy ko ang training at naging passion ko na talaga.
Why did you stop swimming?
Tumigil ako dahil kailangan kong mag-focus sa aking pag-aaral at career path. Mahirap pagsabayin ang pressure ng academics at pagiging atleta, kaya pinili ko munang magpahinga.
What was the best competition you've been to and why?
Ang pinakamagandang competition na nasalihan ko ay ang Palarong Pambansa dahil dito ko naranasan ang matinding laban at nakilala ko rin ang maraming mahusay na manlalangoy. Nararamdaman ko talaga ang saya at adrenaline habang lumalangoy ako.
How did swimming influence your lifestyle and health?
Malaki ang naging epekto ng paglangoy sa lifestyle ko. Nasanay ako sa maayos na tulog, tamang pagkain at regular na ehersisyo. Natutunan ko rin ang disiplina sa katawan at isip hanggang ngayon. Kahit di na ako aktibong lumalangoy, dala ko pa rin ang healthy habits na natutunan ko sa pagiging atleta ko.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome to a fun day at the pool. Upon arriving at the pool, here are the pool rules that will keep everyone safe. Never dive into shallow water. It can cause head and neck injuries. Always check the depth of the water before diving. Apply sunscreen to your skin to protect from harmful UV rays from the sun.
Hydrated. Drink water, especially on hot days. Walk, don't run. The pool deck can be slippery.
Swim within your ability and stay at the place that you are comfortable. Always look out for your friends and never leave anyone alone in the water.
Following these safety tips and protocols, you can enjoy a safe and fun swimming experience.
Swimming is a journey, one that starts with single breath and a leap of faith onto the unknown. It teaches disciplines, perseverance, and respect for the water and oneself. From recreational swimming, finding calm, to professional chasing glory, the water connects us all. Every stroke tells a story, a triumph, a struggle, a joy. As we emerge from this exploration of swimming, we're reminded that it's not just about how fast or how far you go, but the freedom and resilience that come with every swim. So, whenever you're in pool, a lake, or the open ocean, keep swimming because in the water we are equal and anything is possible.